Did you know you can shrink your Windows 11 taskbar in under 2 minutes? For free? No registry hacks, no risky third-party skins. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download Windhawk, install one simple mod, and customize your taskbar's height and icon size, so you get back all that wasted screen space. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech with Yo. If you're new here, I make videos about tech tips, Android, Windows, and all things that make your digital life easier. If that sounds like your thing, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Today's video is a complete guide to customizing your Windows 11 taskbar using Windhawk. By the end of this video, you'll have a slim, clean taskbar that looks nothing like the bulky default one, and you'll know exactly how to undo it if you ever change your mind. Windhawk is a free open-source app that lets you customize Windows using small community-made mods. No registry editing, no sketchy downloads, just safe, reversible tweaks. Step 1. Download and install Windhawk. First, head over to windhawk.net and click the download button. Once it's downloaded, open the installer and click Install. It only takes a few seconds. Step 2. Find the taskbar mod. Now that Windhawk is installed, open it up. You'll land on the main dashboard. Click on Explore Mods. This is basically a library of tweaks made by the community. In the search bar, type in Taskbar Height, and you'll see a mod pop up called Taskbar Height and Icon Size. That's the one we need. Click Install, and Windhawk will apply it instantly. No restart required. Once it's active, a new settings panel will pop up. Here you can adjust the taskbar height in pixels. The default is usually around 48. Try lowering it to something like 30 or 32 for a sleek, compact look. You can also tweak the icon size separately, so your taskbar stays small, but your icons don't look squished. Once you're happy with the numbers, just apply the changes. And look at that! A clean, compact taskbar, more screen space, more style, and it barely takes any room at the bottom of your screen. If you ever want to go back to normal, just open Windhawk, disable the mod, and your taskbar returns right back to default. It's completely reversible. That's honestly it. 2 minutes, one free tool, and your taskbar looks completely different. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Windows customization tricks, and let me know in the comments what mod you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.